All right, I have an Arkham AVR 850 dealing with the hum inside the unit, if you can hear it. I went ahead and bought these iFi DC blocker plus and ground defender. Received them. It did not fix the issue, so I'll go do a quick demonstration. Hopefully this helps other people out. I did use this Emotiva CMX2. It did remove the hum, so again, you can hear the hum. Let's go ahead and put the DC blocker in. And this is the plus variant. And as you can hear, the hum is still there. Now we'll remove the DC blocker. Plug this in. And if you can hear that, with the receiver going into the Emotiva, which is designed for DC blockage. And there you go. Hopefully this helps other people out. The DC blocker plus did not help my situation, so I have no affiliation with Emotiva whatsoever, but this item did fix the problem for me.